In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add quotes in Confluence. Quoting content is a great way to highlight important statements, reference external sources, or clearly separate key ideas within your documentation. To get started, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you normally use. From there, go to Confluence and log into your account. If you're new to Confluence, you can sign up for a free account and continue once you're logged in. After signing in, you'll be taken to your Confluence dashboard. Navigate to the page where you want to insert a quote. You can find it by using the search bar or browsing through your spaces and pages. Once the page is open, click the Edit button in the top right corner to enter edit mode. This allows you to make changes to the page content. With the page in edit mode, click inside the area where you want to add the quote. Type a / followed by the word quote. Then select the quote option from the menu that appears. Confluence will automatically insert a quote block marked by a vertical line on the left side, making the text stand out from the rest of your content. You can now type or paste the text you want to quote and adjust it as needed to fit the context of your page. Once you are satisfied with the result, click Publish/FW to save your changes and make the quote visible to others. And that's it. You now know how to insert quotes in Confluence to improve clarity and collaboration in your documents. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful Confluence tips and tech guides like this.